Hello everybody, welcome to another video tutorial. On this video tutorial we're going to be going over the add new row tool, okay? And what this tool does is allows us to lay out our workspace of our page creation in order for us to have a more comfortable space where to work and where to add our objects, okay? So let's get started. Right now, once you open your website X5 on step 3 for the first time, you're gonna have just 3 blocks right here, okay? But you can fix that by adding new rows that are gonna allow you to organize your content much better, okay? So now you can see how I have introduced more rows, and now I'm able to add an image object, a table object, without occupying too much space, okay? So this tool is useful for that, okay? Let's go ahead and test this. Whoops. Apparently I don't have nothing inside my objects, and that's obvious because I haven't introduced anything. Cars are very cool. Okay. Now right here, let's add any random image. Okay. So, as you can see, it is very simple to add images into your website. And in the following videos, we're going to be going over more into detail with these tools, okay? So, now, you are able to, okay, go ahead and press OK. You see how you're able to organize your content much better when you use these tools, okay? So, now, let's go over the add a new column tool, okay? This tool is going to allow us to add columns into our page creation in order for us to, again, have a more comfortable space where to work on. Okay, let's go ahead and test this. Now, depending on where you have or how you have positioned or added new rows, is going to determine the size of each cell, okay? So, what does this mean? For example, I'm going to show you really quick what it means. Let's go ahead and delete all of these first, of course. Let's go over here to the how to make a website. Let's go ahead and copy this object. Okay, now let's go over to page 11, and now let's paste it right here. Okay, you see the size of the cell right now is determined by the title, okay? Actually, I'm gonna underline it. Okay, you can see that it is a huge cell right now because we have our page creation process divided into 4 different columns, okay? And each column is gonna have a determined size. So the more columns we add, the smaller our cells become. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Now let's test it. And now you're seeing how now the size of our cell is incredibly small. Actually, my text doesn't even fit inside the cell. So in order for us to get the right cell that we want, we're gonna have to kind of work our way into adjusting the size of the columns, okay? So let's go ahead and delete columns. Now let's go ahead and test this. Now you can see how the cell is perfect for the size of my content. Okay, so it's really simple, and this was one of the things that you might not have been able to figure out on your own because it's kind of tricky, but I explained it to you guys, and now you guys are able to create even more high quality websites now that you guys are able to know this simple but easy and useful trick. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you are watching this video on the add new row tool, the one below the add a new column, it's gonna be exactly the same video. Okay, so it's gonna teach you exactly the same thing. So go ahead and continue to the next tutorial. Okay, now that you know that what the add new column tool works for, go ahead and click on the delete a row of the selected page. Go ahead and read it and then click on the video. Okay, so thank you for watching this video tutorial. Then again, you're also going to be learning some cool things that you might not be able to figure out on your own. So go ahead and watch that tutorial. I'll see you on the next video.